Hi friends, I hope you're seeing my earlier video on the techniques of financial statement fraud. If you are a CEO, CFO, or a chief accountant of the company, then it is very important for you to identify the red flags of various techniques of financial statement fraud. Hi, I'm Mitesh Nadkani, your fraud accounting professional, and in this video, I'm going to take you through some of the techniques of identifying how frauds perpetrated or how frauds are recognized in case of an incorrect revenue recognition. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe the same for getting regular updates. Before identifying the techniques of incorrect revenue recognition, first of all, let us see what constitutes of an incorrect revenue. It might be a situation where the revenue might have not been earned or realized and the entity might be recognizing it, or the revenues are recognized with an incorrect time or for an incorrect amount. So there might be an instance where an entity might record for a revenue on an accelerated basis. So if a contract is for 3 years, the entity might record the entire revenue irrespective of the performance in the first year itself. There might be an instance where an entity might have completed its revenue target and they might just postpone the revenue. So revenue recognition does not mean that increase in revenue. There might be some depletion of revenue or decrease in revenue which an entity might report. So fraud can happen on either side. Let us now understand what are the techniques of improper revenue recognition. From a revenue recognition perspective, before I go into the technique, we need to understand that there are standards given by the professional bodies of recognizing revenue. So the perpetrators try to see to it how they avoid the standards and thus create a financial statement fraud pertaining to incorrect revenue recognition. The first technique, what I'm going to discuss is on recognizing of fictitious revenue. So there might be a situation where an enterprise may record a revenue for a fake contract or a non-existing sale. So in this case, the enterprise might record a revenue and just siphon off the money outside the system, just affecting the cash flow of the company. Fraudulent management estimate. This might be a case in case of a service industry where the management might be estimating a percentage completion of method, or as I told in the past that a 3-year contract might be recorded in the year 1 itself. So there might be cases where the revenues might be accelerated because of incorrect or fraudulent management estimates. Bogus sales with corresponding increase in debtor. So there the enterprise might enter into a bogus sales where just the monies are not being receiving only. The monies are parked in a debtor's account. So the debtors are increasing, the sales are increasing. So for a viewer of financial statements, they might see an increase in or growth in sales, but there is no corresponding cash flow in terms of its receivable. So that might be one of the area of perpetrating fraud in revenue. Sales with no corresponding movement in stock. So usually the stocks are purchased and they are correspondingly sold. Perpetrators of a revenue fraud might enter into a transaction where the sales are booked without corresponding purchases or without movement in stock. So this might be indicative of a bogus sales transaction or transactions where the frauds are perpetrated in revenue. Growth in sales of a company with no corresponding growth in the market. So every industry has a trend of growth in terms of sales. In case of some enterprises who are perpetrating such kind of a fraud, basically they might accelerate their sales far from their competitors. So this is one of the red flags which we need to identify. We need to see, is it that if a competitor growing in the same market is showing a same trend as what a particular enterprise is doing. So if there is some divergent trend, then that is again a red flag. Sudden jump in the sales of a last quarter. So enterprises might be showing a quarter-on-quarter increases, but if they feel that they are not meeting their target or revenue target for the year, so they might go into the management might think of suddenly increasing sales in the last quarter with any of the techniques which have been discussed in the previous slide. So these are few of the techniques which I thought of discussing with you in terms of financial statement for the reference to revenue recognition. Again, improper recognition of contract revenue I have already discussed in terms of percentage completion, where my percentages might be, management might be making an incorrect estimate for showing or for recognizing a revenue. So if you have such of these problems in this in your company, of identifying, or if you're not able to identify such type of areas where frauds can be perpetrated in the revenue, feel free to contact us. Again, I'm Mitesh Narkani, your fraud accounting professional. Keep watching. Thank you.